In the heart of a vibrant park, where flowers bloomed with laughter and grass danced under little feet, the town's annual children's festival bloomed with as much joy. Amongst NY attractions, a particular stall hosted by an elderly man, known to all as Mr. Whiskers, caught the deepest interest: the balloon playpen. Mr. Whiskers, with his twinkling eyes and endless array of stories, was not just any balloon vendor. No, he was the architect of dreams for every child who visited his booth. His balloons were not tethered to simple E-strings. Instead, they were attached to whimsical ideas and fantastical tales. That Sunday, as the sun set a golden backdrop, little Emma and her brother, Theo, approached the booth, wide-eyed. "One balloon each," smiled Mr. Whiskers, handing them a red and a blue balloon. But these were no ordinary balloons. Emma's red one was bravery, mighty and bow. LD, and Theo's blue, wisdom, calm and thoughtful. "Play with them, talk to them, but most importantly, listen to them," advised Mr. Whiskers, with a wink. The siblings, puzzled but intrigued, took their balloons to a quiet corner of the park. They started with simple tosses, giggling as each tried to make their balloon touch the sky but not pop. As the Y played, Theo noticed his thoughts grew clearer with every touch of wisdom. Beside him, Emma felt a surge of courage with every bounce of bravery. Soon, their simple game turned into an adventure. They led royal armies, explorers on new planets, and wise rulers of peaceful kingdoms, all within their mind's eye, guided by their balloons. As dusk turned in to evening, Emma and Theo returned the balloons, their eyes shining with the reflections of their adventures. Mr. Whiskers simply smiled, knowing fully well the magic was not in the balloons, but the hearts of the children who believed in them. The park closed, but the stories of bravery and wisdom lived on, whispered in the winds of the playful sky.